Hello everybody, here's another video from LeanTakt, and we're going to talk today about a really neat template that was sent to me by a good buddy of mine, Nathan. He's going on his tack journey and doing some amazing things. So first of all, let me just talk about this tack plan, and this is with Absher Construction. They're doing a great job. Look at the formatting on this. The time scale up top, you have all of the pertinent information. You have the days of the week, you have the month, everything that you would need up here on the top, and days to completion, which is something that I really like. That's high speed right there. So days to completion, weeks to completion, and then the month, day, week, day, and the other weeks from today. Sorry, I stumbled there for a little bit. Over here on the left, the legend, super simple, super standardized. So they have footings, stem walls, structural steel, slab on grade. Look at this over here. We obviously have the tacked wagons here, nicely colored, nicely formatted. Also have the tack zone areas clearly described. I mean, you can look at this project and immediately see within the year exactly what's happening for all of these, and you can actually see the flow. So the one perfect example for the flow here is just even if you look at these green activities, right? So you see that there's some overlap. So the M's go down here to these other M's, right? And then up here to this second set of M's, let's see what that is. That's sleeves and inserts, right? So nice flow from activity to activity, right? The greens in and of themselves overlap, but the activities, the tack wagons within them do not, and they have ideal flow. You can see flow with this system super quickly, super easily. Absolutely love what they're doing. What he showed me was the integration of roadblocks over here. So we basically have, they're basically scrumming, which I absolutely love the roadblocks. So you see the priority here, lower priority to higher priority up here at the top. There's the backlog, to do, doing, done. And we have colors up here. He has colors up here identifying who it's for, who the assignee is, so they have their own color. And then the roadblocks right here, and is showing clearly to the team what needs to be moved over to the right to then keep that flow of work over here like we were talking about based on the line of balance. So I thought this was a really neat format. I want to just give a little bit of praise at the amazing look of the legend here, the time scale, how well everything was formatted to show the flow. I like the interconnecting ties here, the summary bars, and I really, really like the inclusion of roadblocks here because Takt only works when we hold the dates, when we remove roadblocks, and when we finish as we go. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Great job to Nathan and Absher Construction. On we go.